Hello and welcome to 1545 Pine, a beautiful condo at the Austin, which has an outdoor space on the ground level, a beautiful lobby with seating area, rooftop deck with amazing views of the city. This unit comes with parking as well. Okay, so here we are on the 12th floor. We're going to be touring Unit 1201. This amazing condo has views from every room except the hallway. Okay, so here we are. Right over here is the bathroom. Nice and modern design. You have a fan, bathtub, and shower combination with a good sized shower head. In the hallway here, you have wall-to-wall closets. So lots of closet space in this unit. Here is the first bedroom over here to the left with amazing views. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout. This room has a built-in Murphy bed, which is very convenient if you are using this as a guest room or home office / guest room. There's plenty of room if you want to put your own bed as well. Nice modern closet. This goes all the way back. It's a little hard to see in this video. Private stackable laundry machines. Over here is another closet. It's a great pantry since the kitchen is right across the way. The kitchen is open to the living room. You have high-end designer appliances, dishwasher, gas range, beautiful countertops, and amazing views from the living room and kitchen. Here's the dishwasher, gas range, and refrigerator. Okay, so here is the living room. You have views from every angle. And here's looking back into the kitchen. The second bedroom is located off the kitchen here. You have an ensuite bathroom and lots of closets and shelving here. This is a very quiet unit and building all together with many wonderful amenities. Okay, walk-through closet. So over here to the left, you have custom shelving and bars to hang your clothes. And here is the bathroom. This one has a shower with glass enclosure, very modern in design, and there you go. Okay, if you are interested in this beautiful condo, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.